To fix Roblox error code 268. Start by rebooting your computer and trying to play Roblox again. If the issue persists, navigate to the Start button. Type Roblox and right-click the Roblox player. Select Open File Location to access the folder containing the Roblox player. Then right-click the player and choose Properties. In the Properties window, select Compatibility and check the box to run the program in compatibility mode, choosing Windows 7 from the drop-down menu. Also, select Run this program as an administrator under Settings. Click OK, and then right-click the Roblox player again, selecting Troubleshoot Compatibility to run a troubleshooter. Windows will attempt to fix the issue, and you can try the recommended settings and test the program. If this step doesn't work, try uninstalling and reinstalling the Roblox player. To do this, go to the Start button, right-click it, and select Apps and Features. Search for Roblox, select it, and click Uninstall. Then, go to roblox.com, select a game, and try to play it. You'll be prompted to download and install the Roblox player. Save the file and open it to reinstall Roblox. Once installed, you should be able to play the game by clicking the play button. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve Roblox error code 268 and get back to playing the game. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to ask.